Assalamu-Alaikum guys. These are almost 2 kg chicken and we're going to make steam roast today. I will share my recipe with you, same quantity. First of all, you just wash your chicken properly and dip it in the sirka and salt just for 1 hour. After this, after that you have to drain out all the water and then you just fry the chicken on a fast flame. This reason because first of all we have to fry all the chickens then we will marinate with these masalas for 1 hour. Then we will steam this roast for 40 to 45 minutes almost. Then let's start the other. Now you guys see my ingredients. This is white vinegar, soya sauce, chili sauce, tikka powder from any brand, red chili, salt, black pepper and some garam masala with on it. We all make it mixture with yogurt and vinegar. Then we will apply after the frying of this chicken. Then we will steam all the roast for 40 to 45 minutes. Just wait, watch and like, subscribe, share my channel. Thanks. Another chicken going to fry now. It's all chicken portion. Very soft. You just cover it. 2 more ingredients added: crushed jeera masala or crushed coriander powder, and the third one is chili flakes using to steam this roast. Hope you really like this video and appreciate my effort. Next time I will properly upload more and more. Guys, I have marinated all my chickens for 1 hour and I took my chickens in the freezer for 1 hour just for very good marinations, and our steamer is ready now. Let me check now. This is ready. I took all my chickens on the grill now and I will show you after some time, 40 to 40 minutes. Usually it will be taken. I am using my foil paper on it to place my chickens. Okay guys, after a break I will show you. This way use a fork to make holes for get steams on the pieces. On this way I have placed all the chickens on the steamer. You can use your patili as a boiler or use your steamer. I am using my patili as well. You are watching. Now we are all cover it with leftover masalas, and then I will pack it. Cover it again with a foil paper for 40 to 45 minutes for become a properly cooked steam roast. You can see it. Really, it's very delicious and will be very juicy and very yummiest in taste, definitely. Mm, guys, this is the yummiest broast ever. Let I grease my chicken with oil. Cooking is a art. This is not a easy way to cook anything. I like to cook for my kids, for my loved ones, for my whole family, my husband, and all the others, my family members. I enjoy my cooking on this way. This way I all the chicken oiled now. I think it's done. I cover it again now. Let's wait for some more time. Guys, finally look of my steam roast. Hope you like it. If you like and subscribe, share and follow my links. Thank you.